All right, we're live. We're doing something very, very different this time. This is something that I have not done in my channel, but I made a poll in Twitter and Instagram, and a lot of people naman voted for it. So we're doing this. But before I start, no, I want to also, of course, as you all know, what we do right here is we try to educate people also on what it is, and not just me unpacking it. So what I'm gonna do in this video is, number one, I want to explain also what NFTs are. Then I want to explain what Top Shot is. Then I want to explain also why I like Top Shot and why I'm so interested in it. By the way, minsan lang ako mag NBA clothing also for my videos. Then aside from that, then we're gonna open the pack. Then let's look at the value of what we got, and then why do I like this also as an asset class. So we are live in TikTok. They're seeing my backstage pass TikTok, but we're also live in YouTube and Facebook. So before I also explain, let me greet some people. Kenneth Frias, hello to you. RJ Manalang, hello. Aldwin Canosa, Kin Pogi. By the way, I'm curious, sino sa mga inyo, Vibrant Falcon, hello to you. Sino sa inyo yung ano, and then sa TikTok nagpapa-shoutout si Ja Tolentino and si Remart. Sino sa inyo nag-invest na rin sa Top Shot? I'm just very, very curious about it. And you also see this as an asset class, because I think it's so new that not a lot of people understand it yet. Not a lot of people know what it actually is. So we're trying to at least allow people to make them understand what Top Shot is and what NFT is as well. So yun ako eh. I just like trying a lot of things also, and this is something I guess that works for me and fits me as well. So yun. So for those who are joining us just now, I want to explain also what NFT is, what Top Shot is, and then nagpapa-shoutout si Novski. So hello to you. Shout out to you, Novski. Shout out to you, Oxshin. Shout out to all of you. So yun. By the way, no, this is not my first unpacking. I did an unpacking. I think it's nagtry na ako mga 7 times pumila. I was able only to get in once. Once pa lang. This is my second time to be able to get one. And yung interesting dito is hindi to this is a very, very common pack, no. So I'm not really putting my expectations so high mainly because feeling ko hindi maganda makukuha kasi mura lang yung pack. I tried to line up dun sa rare ones, but wala eh. Ang haba ng pila, so di ako makapasok. So yun. For those who don't know what NFTs are, it's what you call a non-fungible token. So it's so interesting mainly because it rides the blockchain network. So for those of you guys who know a lot about blockchain and you know a lot about cryptocurrencies, yung particularly yung NBA Top Shot uses the flow cryptocurrency. So a lot of the other NFTs use Ethereum, but for NBA Top Shot, it's basically flow. And that being said, a non-fungible token basically is how do I explain this? I made a video about this already, no. But a non-fungible token is katulad ng Bitcoin. Yung if you have 10 Bitcoins, all of those 10 Bitcoins, other characteristics are the same. Meaning pare-pareho sila. You can easily interchange a value one Bitcoin to another, similar to $1 to another. Pwede mo siya magpalit-palitin. The fact that it's non-fungible, meaning one asset is different from another asset, even though they come from almost the same class. So yun basically non-fungible token. It's something that's very, very unique, and the applications of this so far is in the art world, maybe in some collectibles, and the variation of this na mahilig sa NBA Top Shot. So I really believe that this will disrupt a lot of how do I put this? This will disrupt a lot of collectibles na traditional, primarily art, primarily some designs, and then also card collecting. Why will that happen? So there are a lot of people now who don't like really the tangible items primarily because maliit lang yung bahay nila. They live in a small space that it's not practical for them to store value in a large painting kasi wala naman din silang mapaglalagyan. Whereas they could keep it in a digital format where na nasa phone nila na nakatago na hindi mawawala na hindi masusunog. So I think those are one of the nice things about it. And I just want to share also based on my own experience. Uh, ano lang sa akin eh, one of the reasons why I like it, especially particularly NBA Top Shot, no, nagtry ako mag-research for paintings and other NFTs. Pero ano eh, I'm not really a painting person, so it's hard for me to understand. Feeling ko malulugi ako kasi hindi ko rin siya masyadong alam. Pero since I know a lot about the NBA, I'm a big NBA fan. As you all know, I've been following the so yung progression ko, by the way, NBA, I liked Michael Jordan, then Penny Hardaway, then Jason Kidd, then Kobe Bryant, then nung nawala si Kobe, Steph Curry. That's why right now Golden State Warriors. So yun. But nung bata ako, nung grade 5 ako, grade 5, grade 4, I think I was collecting NBA cards. I was collecting Penny Hardaway cards also at that time. Yung naging problem ko, nung nauso siya ulit I think the past 5 years, when it started to bloom more, is that, feeling ko mawawala ko siya eh. Feeling ko hindi ko siya maingatan na mabuti, and feeling ko I might not be able to take care of it, and the hassle to be able to trade, to be able to buy, to be able to sell, to be able to how do I say this? To be able to, if I want to buy something, I have to take the risk also of getting it and then waiting for it, and when I sell it, I also have to ship it, etc. So hindi naman sa hindi okay yun. Hindi ko lang gusto yung hassle na pagdaanan lahat yun. So yun, that's why when NBA Top Shot entered, it was like a hybrid for me because as for those who are investing in stocks already, alam niyo naman yung stocks tsaka cryptocurrencies, tinitignan lang din natin sa phone natin, tinitignan lang din natin sa laptop natin. So kung Ayala Land yan or Apple yan or XRP yan, we're just looking at numbers, we're just looking at kung eToro gamit nyo, we're just looking at icons, we're just looking at pictures. Kung local broker gamit nyo, you're actually just literally looking at ticker codes. So sabi ko, this makes sense to me kasi I like the NBA. I'm collecting NBA cards. I used to collect NBA cards, but now it's in a digitized form na similar also to basketball cards. Pero hindi ko na siya mawawala kasi nasa online na siya lagi. Kung saan man ako pumunta and then I want to sell it, I want to trade it, I want to look at it, I can look at it anywhere at any time. And mas feeling ko mas madali ko siya maintindihan because it's easier for me to understand LeBron, Kevin Durant, Kyrie Irving, James Harden, Steph Curry, Klay Thompson, and all of those NBA players versus I know Beeple is one of the best artists right now in the NFT space, but everyone else hindi ko masyado kilala. I'm not that informed in that particular area, but maybe through the years I'll try to learn more about it. But this is what makes sense for me right now. Now, people are asking, paano magkaka-value yan? Video lang naman yan eh. Pwede ko rin downloadin yan, pwede ko rin screenshot yan eh. I can get my own coin, or I can get my own NFT. Pero I guess the best explanation that I've heard about this is for those who follow Gary Vaynerchuk, is sabi ni Gary Vaynerchuk, kung naglalaro ka ng mobile game, similar to I played Call of Duty Mobile, and I've seen a lot of people spend a lot on yung mga outfit. I've seen a lot of people spend a lot of money also, not just on outfits. By the way, John Joseph Mendoza, lakas mambudol niyan sa NFT, no? Siya yung chief buduler. So anyways, what am I saying? Hello to Ryanel Coronation. Nakalimutan ko tayo sasabihin ko. Yun. So look at why people buy sa mga skins nila, sa games nila. I don't know if it's from Dota or Call of Duty or World of Warcraft or whatever online game. A lot of them buy items that are in game, that are not real, that are digital, na hindi naman nila magagamit. Some of them are very, very expensive also. And the same thing, the more rare the item is, dun sa in-game na gamit nila, kahit digital lang yun, kahit di nila mahawakan, the more expensive it is. So ganun lang din talaga yung NFTs also. The value in it is based on people who are fans of it, fans of that artist, fans of that designer, fans of that basketball player, that they will buy it not just primarily because gusto nilang kumita ng pera, not just because they look at it as an asset, but they really like to collect it. So I think this will be a very, very niche category also. Particularly, tignan mo in real world applications, there are people who would buy Rolexes. That if you look at it from an investment standpoint, binili mo yung Rolex, wala ka naman makuha na dividends eh. Pero before they looked at it also as an asset, yung Rolex na yun, the reason why they went into it is primarily because mahilig sila sa Rolex. Kung mag-appreciate man yan in value in the future and meron magbigay ng tempting offer that will take it out of their hands, then maybe. Pero kung hindi naman, ba't nila bebenta? Ganun din for whiskey. I know a lot of people na nagko-collect. Ako, I don't drink. So, I don't also appreciate it and I don't understand it. That why do people buy it with an expectation also that sometime in the future aakyat siya. Pero sila, they would always look at it and think about it na kung wala man bumili sa akin ito, okay lang eh. Because they're collectors eh. So please remember, the real context on NFTs is it's primarily a collection first. You don't buy NFTs because, of course, you're thinking that it will appreciate. Pero just in case no one would buy it from you in the future, you are okay to hold on to it. You are okay to be able to hold it for the long term. If you are in it lang na para lang kumita ng pera, and then to trade it later on, you might set yourself up for disappointment kung hindi mo makuha yung price na gusto mo, kung hindi mo also makuha yung kung hindi mo makuha yung mga things na, or kung hindi mo makuha yung player na gusto mo, or kung wala magbenta sa price na gusto mong kunin. Yun yung, I think yun yung magiging underlying na difference noon. And yun, nag-appeal lang sa akin to because hindi ko siya mawawala. And I think that as this goes on more, similar to my conviction in blockchain, similar to what I've learned in cryptocurrencies, that the more we go into this, the more it gets accepted. And the more it gets accepted, more and more people will just actually use it. We are not going backward into this anymore. I really believe that cryptocurrencies has come to a point where, we're just gonna move forward. This is just gonna get accepted more and more and more and more and more and more. So yun. So I just want to share some. Hindi ako expert sa, by the way, hindi ako expert sa Top Shot. I'm really a stock market investor. Yun lang talaga ako. But I'm also a Golden State Warriors fan. But two ways to look at this. If you are a collector, then there's a big chance that hindi ka makaka-jackpot lagi sa packs eh. Hindi ka makaka-jackpot lagi sa packs. For sure yan, hindi ka makaka-jackpot lagi sa packs. You won't be able to get a lot of good items sa packs. However, by the way guys, no, pag nakakita kayo ng mga comments sa ganyan, hindi ko sure kung legit yung mga ganyan, na ingat lang kayo. Anyways, nawala tuloy ako. So kung collector kayo, I guess if you really, really like something, tas nakita nyo mura na siya, pwede nyo tignan sa marketplace and then just buy it from there. But if you are an investor and then you like the excitement of getting packs, then you can do this route also. Kuha kayo sa packs. Yung disadvantage lang sa packs, normally not just from the packs that I've opened, kasi pangalawa ko pa lang to, basta not as much, but not just from my experience, but from a lot of people that have been getting packs as well. Hindi lahat maganda eh. Not all of what you will get are nice in packs, and then because you don't know what you are getting, hindi mo sure gaano kaganda at gaano kalaki yung value nun. So yun lang yung, I guess, pitfall niya. sa akin, yun din eh. The first pack that I opened, I got, sino to? The Donovan Mitchell, I think that was the rarest card there. Then I got also Julius Randle. Then another player, nakalimutan ko na kung sino kasi hindi ako masyado fan ng player. I think hindi ako masyado fan ng player na yun. But I bought some also in the marketplace. So yun, those are, if you really want to buy it cheap, you take the risk sa packs. Yung hassle lang minsan sa packs, ang haba ng pila. Kung alam niyo lang, ilang beses na ako nagmadaling araw na nagising, para lang mag-pack tapos wala rin ako nakuha. Sayang, pero I do it not to make money. I do it kasi nag-enjoy ako. So I know that mas I will get more upside in cryptocurrencies and in US tech stocks and in dividend stocks. But guys, so may scammer, hindi ako yan. Pag may nakita ko yung ganyan, just ingat lang also, pag may nakita kayong anything na ganito, scammer yan, they're copying my name and copying my picture, but that's not really me. So ingat lang kayo. I will never give a BTC address, and then I will never give a WhatsApp address. Lalo na sa YouTube, talamak sa YouTube yon. So I don't do that. So ingat lang. Anyways, yun. So nakalimutan ko. Ang hirap yun yung mahirap pag live, no? Yun yung mahirap pag live. Yun. Hindi ako nakakuha pero I enjoy it eh. I know I will get upside. I will get more upside in other investments. Pero this one, I do it as something na masaya. And then kung kumita man ako, bonus na lang yun. So that's my take on NFT Top Shot and also NBA Top Shot and NFT. So I think this is not an investment for everyone. This is not something that everyone should get into. And as what I've been saying in my previous videos, every time you deploy capital, regardless of what it is, it always has to be a conviction play. Please remember that. Conviction play lagi ito. You only put in pag naintindihan mo siya. Huwag lang kayong makikiuso kasi pinag-uusapan siya dahil nasa YouTube siya, nasa Facebook siya, nasa Twitter siya, nasa TikTok siya. Don't do it just because of that. So please remember, this is a game of knowing what you're getting into, and then pag alam nyo na siya, it's about next step is deploying capital na tanggap nyo, na pag nag-zero man siya, kung mawala man siya, okay pa rin kayo. Sabi ni Cap Bogart, saan pwede pumila for the packs? For Top Shot, NBA Top Shot. Pero for NFTs, ang dami, no? OpenSea, Rarible, Nifty Gateway. So yun naman yung sa painting. But for this, it's basically NBA Top Shot. So yun. So sige, let's open the pack already because I have an 8 p.m. video also coming out in YouTube so that it's very, very, we have enough time also for that. I'm gonna open it. Then maybe after we open it, let's look at also the value of that particular top shot. Okay? So let's do this. Kinakabahan ako. Okay. By the way, I've been hoping to get Steph Curry. Hoping that I get Steph Curry for a collection. Zion maybe also. For an investment, maybe LeBron. So let's see. So, okay, let's click it. Let's do this. Okay, ayan na. I'm na. Oh, pwede rin Lamelo. Tama ka, Isaiah. Okay din si Lamelo. Okay. Okay, let's see. Are you guys ready? Comment below. Nakakaba rin to, no? Parang naglalagay ka ng pera pag nagbe-breakout. Pero I'm not really expecting that magiging mahal to kasi common cards lang to eh. So let's see. Okay. Open your pack. Whoa, may sound! Oh! Okay, let's do this, guys. First pack. Glenn Robinson. Oh my gosh. Glenn Robinson. 12,000. Okay, 8. By the way, sige, let's wait for the music to finish first. I'm not a fan of Glenn. Niyak na, nakakayak na. Glenn Robinson agad. Glenn Robinson agad. By the way, sa Top Shot, the closer you are, yung common, so this one is 12,000, it's limited edition. So meaning, limited edition siya, there won't be more created. Hanggang 12,000 na lang. So the rarer it is, the more expensive it is, the higher that you can buy it. So yung technique dito, the more scarce it is, the better. Since common to, there's an expectation na madaming nakalabas. And then since 8881 to, normally nun sa series, sa serial number, yung jersey number, tsaka yung closer you are dun sa 1, the closer you are sa number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, mas mahal siya nabibenta. Okay, so tingnan na muna natin value nito. I hope meron na, but let's try. So this is evaluate market. This is where we get to see the value of the cards, no? Tingnan natin kung ROI ako. $9 lang naman to eh. Okay. Wala pa. What? Okay, ito yata yung base set. Tama ba? Is that what we got? Oops, I have to change the screen pala para makita nyo rin. Wait lang guys, wait lang. Okay. Comment below if you're seeing the new screen. I'm not sure if you see it. Okay, tama ba to? Glenn Robinson the 3rd, January 20, layup. I have to check if it's correct. O, tama. Okay. So, yung what I like about it and what's so interesting about it is para na rin siyang stocks that you have market cap. Then meron kang way to be able to value it. So, right now there's 2,619 unique owners. 9,236 minted that are not in packs. Then, meron kang 85 na nasa pack. So, there's 12,000 in circulation. So, meron kang $11 na lowest ask for this. So, binili ko yung pack ko ng $9, $11. Kita na, kung binenta ko to ngayon, ng kahit $10 na ako yung lowest, kita na ako $1 sa entire pack ko. So, from an investment standpoint, hindi ko siya ikayayaman. Pero, kumita na ako, kung kunyari, if I want to really sell this na ako yung unang-una makakabenta nito, I'll just go lower. 11 yung lowest, bibenta ko to ng 10. So, there's a chance na kita na kagad ako from my pack. Anyways, so yun, these are some of the details for it, no? Anyways, let's continue. Let's go on to the next pack. Let's see. Okay. So, tama naman si Cap Bogert, no? Gain is gain. Bawi na agad sa lowest. Goods na din. Okay, LE. Okay, let's look at the next one. Let's look at the next one. I'll have to... Okay rin pala ito mag-live. Hindi ako masyadong nagla-live ng ganito, pero maganda rin yung feeling na sabay natin nakikita. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, second one. May sound pa, no? Let's do this. Second, are you guys ready? Let's do this. Tagalin ko muna si Captain Bogart. Okay. Grabe, Washington ko. Saklap na. Hindi ko siya kilalin. Sa mga fans niya, I'm sorry, hindi ko siya kilala. Okay. Oh, 35. Okay, by the way guys, for those who are asking, no, pag CC yung nakalagay, it means it's not limited edition. It means that they can create more of this. So, again, yung value ng Top Shot is based on its scarcity. So, yung Glenn Robinson III versus this Denny Avdija ng Washington Wizards, because they can mint more of this later on in the future, mas mawawalan siya ng value in general. So, yun. Talaga, low serial number. so yun. Okay, hindi ko pa to naaral, no, yung double badge na to. So, pag double badge siya, you have some, alam ko bago lang nila nilagay ko, plays from a rookie season, tapos play was minted in the rookie season. Okay. I don't know kung valuable siya, no. Tingnan natin yung value niya. I'll open the other screen also. Tingnan natin. Let's look at the value. Is masaya to. Hindi ka kikita ng malaki pero hindi ka kikita ng malaki pero I don't know. Hindi siya nakalimutan ko pa spelling. Kita niyo na ba? And ano yung spelling? Avdiha. Okay, Avdiha. Okay, Denny Avdiha. Ano to? Base siguro to, no? Okay, I think it's this one. Okay, lowest as $10. Okay, so kung gano'n. Okay, may nakabenta pa ng 17, guys. So, kung magiging patient lang ako, baka may gustong bumili sa akin. Baka may gustong bumili sa akin ito. $17 siya. Baka meron, pwede naman natin pag-usapan, di ba? Benta ko ng, hindi ko alam, pero 17, may nakabenta ng 10, may nakabenta ng 17, may nakabenta ng 11. So, kung mabenta ko to ng 10, tapos yung isang mabenta ko rin ng 10, so meron na ako $20, kumita na ako ng 11. Not double your gain, double your money, I guess. Okay, so yun. Let's go back to the last one. Oy, may nakikipag-trade. Sige, para tayo magti-trade. Sige, comment na lang sa Instagram at Marvin Germo kung paano para tayo magti-trade. So, okay na to. Lowest ask yan, $10. Oo nga eh. So, yeah, okay. Let's see. Balik tayo dun sa main screen. Okay. Ako muna ulit. By the way, Golden State, di sila mananalo this year. Pero comment below, guys. Do you think Brooklyn will win this year? I'm just so curious if you think Brooklyn will actually win, and will they actually win it all? Based on sa dami ng players nila, no? They got Aldridge pa. So let's go. Sound again. Let's do this. Okay, last one. Let's do this. Oy, madami Lakers fans. Teka lang, Lakers oh. Oy, Lakers versus ano? Oh, bawal ba? Ingat kayo sa off-market transactions. You can't trade anymore. Oh, talaga? Oh, I didn't know that. I haven't actually sold anything. Meron ako Steph Curry na sobrang common lang. Binibenta ko ng ano yata, 1 million pesos. Pero feeling ko walang bibili. So, yun. Si James sabi niya, Lakers mananalo. Okay, Lakers in 6. Kung may badges, ang all-team and end ng season, malamang all-rookie first team yan. Lakers versus Heat. Utah and Denver are very, very interesting though. Very, very interesting. O si Mark Milan, Nets fan since yesterday. Pero talagang di ko pa talaga matanggap na iniwanan ni Durant yung Warriors. Pero malakas sila this year. Sobrang lakas sila this year eh. So anyways, last na. We're off to the last one. Okay, key in music. Okay, let's see. Last one. Nakabano ko, last one. Oy, box! Kala ko naman, Giannis. Okay, not again a limited edition. Pero, yeah. So that's what I got, guys. Glenn Robinson, Denny Avdiha, Chris Middleton. What's your comment on this? Tignan mo natin yung value niya. Para ano. Let's look at the value. Okay. Middleton. Let's see. Pero mas mababa siya kasi number 1, hindi siya limited edition. Number 2, medyo mataas yung number. Tapos napansin ko rin no, aside from mga rookies, from sila Lamelo, tas yung mga younger ones sila Zion, and then sila Luka, and then yung mga all-stars, napansin ko the ones that are from I guess yung mga super big markets like LA, New York, etc. Sila yung medyo malalaki yung mas matataas yung value, I guess. So I think this is it. Dunk, tama ba? Dunk ba yung nakuha ko? Hindi, assist. Assist January 11. Okay, ito. So $5. $5. I got $5. I got $5 from this. So kung ito lang yung mabenta ko, kung ito lang yung mabenta ko sa $25. So most likely I got around $25. I most likely got around $25 for this pack. So kung kunyari mabenta ko to lahat, 100% gain pa rin. Better than better than some stocks, I guess. Sa Ryan Ocampo, Flip, Glenn, and Chris hold Avdiha. Talaga? Because yung dalawa niyang badges? Okay. Overrated si Middleton. Ayun, so this is what I got. Again, ulitin ko para makita nyo. Let me know what should... I'm not really an expert on this. Nag-enjoy lang ako gawin to. And gusto ko lang din i-share yung moment na to sa inyo habang ginagawa to. So this is what I got. I got Glenn Robinson. I think it's the rarest of this. Then I got Denny Avdiha. Then I got Chris Middleton. So yun. Okay. Madami nagpapayo. I'll hold the rookie badge. I'll do that. So again, for those who are asking about paano to, just go to NBA Top Shot and then you can try it. Pero since walang drop ngayon, sa marketplace lang kayo makakakuha. So wala pa eh. I don't know when the next pack is. So by the way, I forgot to tell you this. Ito yung advantage ng NFT. So you also know, no, number one, since it's in the blockchain, there will never be a fake one. You will never ever see a fake. Unlike sa paintings, sa basketball cards, anyone can reproduce it eh. But ito, because it's riding the blockchain, you already know kanino una nang galing, ano yung mga transactions nandito, ano yung mga presyo, and it's easy for you to see a centralized price kung saan mo siya mabibili at mabibenta. Alam mo yung pinakamataas na benta, alam mo yung pinakamababa. Unlike sa traditional cards, ano talaga siya, off-market selling. And yun, fan ako. Kukuha ba ako ng 999 Legendary Pack? Kung mabigyan ako ng slot, kukuha ako. Ganun lang din siya. You always treat it like, if you're looking at it also as an asset class, no? Isipin mo na lang siya as a $1,000 investment. Parang bumili ka ng if Globe is around 1.8 right now, bumili ka ng 11 shares ng Globe. Parang ganun mo siya tignan. That's how you can actually look at it. So, as an investment, as an asset, maybe yes. As a collectible, kung makuha ko yung gusto ko na person, na player, doon siya magiging sulit. Pero normally, no, ano siya, since it's very, very rare, so mas mabilis mo siya mabibenta ng mas mataas, in my opinion. So, there. So, Avdiha is like Kai Soto of Israel. Everybody from there is rooting for. Baka naman may taga-Israel na gustong kunin si Avdiha. Trade sa akin. Para siyang NBA card. So, I guess that's it. We'll end it from here. I don't know if I'm gonna do this for every pack drop that I do. Pero nag-enjoy lang din ako na try to ulit. So, yun lang. Thanks everyone. And let me know kung ano yung mga nagustuhan nyo dito. Pero masaya lang siyang gawin. So, yun. Watch for the next video coming out 8 p.m. in my YouTube channel. And to everyone, I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.